Podcast here, and today I'm doing something a wee bit different. I got a company in the UK that sent me some products and they asked me to review it, and you know me, I like to do things a wee bit differently because I've always seen those women in the commercials with sheets with grass splatters on them and chocolate stains. I thought I would put them to the test and do it myself. So yip-de-doodle-day, where there's a stain, there's a way. Now I've never done anything like this before. This is the first time that I've actually reviewed something like this on my blog. The first time that I've received products to review on my blog. Thought this would be a great opportunity to try out some Vanish. So I did my own little before and after. The skeptic that I am, I took an old white t-shirt and splattered it with some lovely stains, and here is the cliche holding up of the t-shirt with all the stains on it. Now I hope you can see all of them. The top one here is tea stain, my favourite. On the right hand side it's curry. At the bottom here we've got coffee stain, black coffee, and on this corner we've got the salsa stain, which is actually quite crusty because it's still got some salsa stuck on there, little bits. Anyway, so that is my before shirt that I actually don't mind getting stained because it's old and frothed and disgusting. And now I'm going to put it in my washing machine with 1 scoop of this magic potion called Vanish Stain Remover, and another spoon of washing powder, of course, and see what the results are. So let's go do that, shall we? Right, so there's 3 different ways that this stuff works, I believe. One is that you pre-soak it in a cup of this, pre-soak the stains, which I really don't have time to do. And the second one is what they call pre-treat, and that means you put a wee bit of the stuff, make it into a paste and put it on the stain and then wash it, but I don't have time for that either. So mine is going to be the simple, stick it in your washing machine with a cup of your normal regular detergent and a cup of that, and it should do the magic, because that's what it says it does, right? Right. Now, I know that you guys won't believe me that I actually put it in the washing machine, but you're just going to have to take my word for it, because I'm like one of the biggest skeptics ever. And I've seen decades worth of those commercials where the women pull the wool over your eyes and that they actually don't have a before and an after t-shirt. The after t-shirt is actually what it looked like before, not what it looked like after. So, well, that's my sort of pessimistic way of thinking. I think this is going to be more authentic for people because they know that I'm not an actress. All the bloke in the UK did was send me these and said use them and let us know what they did. That's what I'm doing. I'm not getting paid, and really I wouldn't go out of my way this much for something that didn't fucking work, or for 2 wee jars of Vanish that I could probably buy at the store for $100. Depends if they were 2 for the price of 1 or on sale. The results were absolutely amazing because I had a t-shirt that had no stains on it. What I wanted to really put to the test was have that manky t-shirt lying in the washing basket for like 2 days before it's actually put in there, because that's generally what happens. You don't get a stain on your shirt and oh, I must immediately put my Vanish paste on, smear it in and pre-soak my t-shirt or whatever got stained, then put it in the washing machine. I mean, you're probably out at some pub knocking back the bevies, or at the coffee shop with your friends when you spill the coffee on your shirt. You're not like right next to the washing machine. So I wanted to leave that manky bastard in the basket for at least 2 days and then wash it. So I went a step further than those old middle-aged fuckers on telly that lie to you. However, you can believe me. Check this out. Ta-da! No stains. So that is my Vanish fabric stain remover review for those tough stains. They rock my face off. Yep, so they work. Guess who's buying Vanish from now on? I really hope you liked it. If you've got any products that I can review, contact me and I'll give you my address and you can send me your shit. How's that? Deal? Shake. Deal. Bye, plonkers. See you next time.